Hello, my name is Steve Herman, and I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, the Ultimate Guide. This is my book on mediumship training and mediumship development, which is available on Amazon. And if you're interested in mediumship development training, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Smack that button below, because I try to come out with at least one new video each week on mediumship training and development. Never be discouraged with your mediumship. That's a big thing, discouragement. It gets in people's way. People start out with this, and in general, most people are very analytically oriented. Our analytical, logical minds get in the way. It's difficult for people to really understand how exactly it works when we're talking about mental mediumship, because they sit perhaps in a development circle. Information is coming in from the spirit world, or maybe it's not coming in. They're not really sure, because there's all this clutter in our own minds. But it's important to take mediumship one step at a time. The process is a lot more important, and it's putting the energy into it. But it's also just understanding that the spirit world, if you put energy into it, the spirits will take a lot of time. They'll put a lot of effort into working with you. Never be discouraged. Never compare yourself to other people who might be participating in a development circle, or other people who you know who are developed as mediums. Do the best you can. Put the energy in. And one of the big things with mediumship is it's completely okay. It's completely permissible to mess up, to make mistakes. This is how you're going to learn. Now keep in mind, the spirits, the helpers in spirit, and they're drawn to us through the law of attraction, they're also simultaneously learning to work through you. Have confidence, because they'll do their best to assist you. They go out of their way from their hearts to genuinely help you, to genuinely guide you. So you're going to goof up a bit. But if you seek out good instruction on the physical plane level through individuals who are qualified, more experienced, competent, who really want to help you grow, that's beneficial. It's also really important to be around others who are encouraging. If you go to a group, any type of mediumship circle or training situation, it shouldn't be a situation where you feel intimidated by other people. You need to be nurtured. You need to be encouraged. It's not about competing with other people. Mediumship is gradual. You're learning how to develop mediumship, and also, so are those in the spirit world who are working through you. It takes a lot of time. It takes considerable effort on their part to connect with you mentally and energetically. Trust the spirit world. Trust yourself, and know that if your heart's in the right place with this, how your gifts will manifest will definitely be in a way that will be appropriate for you, and that will be powerful, that will be able to bring through healing, that will be able to touch people with the light of the Spirit and assist people. It is such a blessing to be able to work with mediumship. Always be enthusiastic and always feel encouraged with your mediumship. Don't worry so much about what you might perceive as failures, because that's how you're going to learn in terms of your own development. So please, if you've got any questions on mediumship, please add your comments below. Smack that subscribe button, and feel free to reach out, because I'm really into the teaching aspect of mediumship. So may God bless each and every one of you.